Welcome to the Terms, Tips, and Tricks for Real Estate. My name is Chris Whitehurst. Each episode I explore a term or a concept you may encounter in a real estate transaction and explain those in a way that I hope is easily understood. This is episode 45, Lead-Based Paint Disclosures. This is actually part 5 in a 12-part series I'm doing on listing your home for sale. The spring market is right around the corner, and this series is going to give you all the info you need to be ready to list. Homes built prior to 1978 may have used lead-based paint. Lead-based paint can be dangerous to young children and expectant mothers. During the due diligence period, buyers are determining if the house is right for them. As part of the process, they would want to know if there was lead-based paint in the home, and sellers are required to give notice if they have knowledge of lead-based paint in the home. As a side note, lead-based paint is not always a hazard. If maintained and in good condition, it doesn't present problems, but buyers would want to know if lead-based paint is present. This form must be presented to buyers, and they must acknowledge the form. If you like these videos, there's more of them on my website at chriswhitehurst.com, YouTube, and Facebook. If you like what you see, be sure to follow me on Facebook and subscribe on YouTube, and please share with your friends. More great content coming soon. I'm Chris Whitehurst. Welcome home.